In this video, we will talk about how to factory reset Windows 10. Click on Windows icon and open Settings. Click on Update and Security. On the left, select Recovery. And reset this PC. Click on Get Started. Choose one option. If you select Keep My Files, it reinstalls Windows but keeps your personal files. If you choose Remove Everything, it reinstalls Windows and delete all files, apps, and settings. By doing so, you'll get your Windows factory reset. As per my opinion, select Keep My Files if you don't want to delete your data. Here, if you choose Cloud Download, it downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft. Either you can go with Local Reinstall, and it reinstalls Windows from the files on your device. I'm selecting Cloud Download. Now click on Next. Here you can see resetting will do these things. In Cloud Download, use more than 4 gigabytes of data. Click on Reset and wait until it completes. So that's how you can factory reset Windows 10. See you in the next video.